In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the product activation failed in Microsoft Word. Now what you want to do, and this is really simple guys, you just want to come here and search for File Explorer. You want to find where you have your Microsoft Office folder. It's most likely in one of these two. So open up whichever one it is, Microsoft Office, find your Office pack, and in here you will have an exe file called OSP pream. What you want to do is just right click on it, run as an administrator, and do this 3 times. So do it once, do it again twice, and then 3 times. Once you've done that 3 times, open up your Microsoft Word, and then it will be fixed. Now that's basically how it works, guys. Now I cannot run this as an admin because apparently when I record with OBS, it's gonna make my screen go black when I open admin stuff. But just do it 3 times and it will solve your issue. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.